Step into the Kia 2020 Optima EX Premium. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 1.6-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 178 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, AC power outlet, 1, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control and audio controls on steering wheel. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.